So we have sine x and sine x plus a. Alright, so wait a minute, I would need to change this to a solid line. Alright, so the red one will be the sine x and blue one will be sine x plus a. I will see what happened when a increase, and I have two guiding lines, that is y equals to 1 and y equals to -1, where it's the peak and the trough of this curve. And let's see, in this line means pi and 2 pi as usual. So when a increase, you can see that the graph move upwards, right? Graph move upwards, and say what happened when a equals to 10. You can see this line, y equals to 10 is exactly the same here, and here is exactly the same. It's not stretched, but the whole graph is just move vertically upwards. So if you have a equals to 10, when it is 0, you have to plus 10 because plus a, so you go to 10, right? At this point, when it is pi over 2, you get 1. When you have plus a plus 10 sine x plus 10, then you have pi over 2, and it stops at 11. So likewise, at this point, when it is the y coordinate is -1, you have to plus 10, it ended up at 9. So that's why these guiding lines are important. So let's see, when a decreases, so it will decrease as well, and when it arrives at negative, the original curve seems to move downwards, because if plus and negative means you are minus. So say you have -5, right? A equals -5, then the blue graph will be sine x -5. So then when the point when your coordinate y coordinate is 0 you'll have to be -5, then it will rest at -5. So is this point, the original point, y coordinate was 1, but now we have to -5 became -4. And at this point, when it is 3 pi over 2, that is 270 degree. Original point was -1, now it have to -5, then you get to -6.